You recognize this guy? It's very short. Hint, his name's on there. Okay, Alan Turing, aka Benedict Cumberbatch. A great hero of the British war effort who helped crack the Enigma code, the Nazi Enigma code. And tragically was prosecuted and later chemically castrated by the government for being a gay man. So that's a story you can tear up over. It resulted in a law that retroactively pardoned everyone who was incriminated by that law. Late in life, he turned to mathematical biology. So what did he do? He did computer science, he did work in cryptanalysis, and then he did mathematical biology, because some of us are more gifted than others. And the kind of work he worked on at the end was the patterning of, let's say, animal coats, okay? Or how animal tentacles are patterned, or how leaves come out. Excuse me. So essentially the patterning of organisms and how that can come about. For those of you who take embryology, whose code I can't quite remember right now, embryology or developmental biology, you're going to talk about morphogens, possibly in class number 1. And morphogen, right there, is a word this guy came up with. So a computer scientist gave you that word. And these are essentially signals that go through the body and tell the body what to form and what each cell should become and that kind of thing. So their spatial distribution in the body tells the body what to look like. Okay, so what we're looking at here is what's called a reaction-diffusion. Hey, guess what? You don't have to know this. What we're looking at here is a reaction-diffusion system. And notice, by the way, we have derivatives with respect to time and space, so it's doubly exciting. Okay? It's a reaction-diffusion system. Okay? So chemicals, okay, take part in chemical reactions, and also they diffuse through the body. And what he showed was that if you have a system that's initially uniform, so basically the distribution of stuff in the system is the same everywhere. Okay? And yet it's sort of unstable. So it's possible for something that starts out as a sort of uniform blob to form patterns. And this kind of thing has been used to explain, or at least try to explain, stripes in the coats of animals, spots, like I said before, tentacles, that kind of thing. So again, something that looks the same at the beginning, through instability, can later form interesting patterns. And that's it. And you'll talk about activators and inhibitors in that course. So again, the kinds of things that might be diffusing through the system are activators and inhibitors at different rates, affecting each other and causing these things to come about. Okay, so that's something you'll see, even if you never mention Turing.